Buzz cuts. Newsflash, a buzz cut is not just shaving your head. Now, this was new news to me when I first started writing about buzz cuts about 4 or 5 years ago, but there are actually 7 different styles of buzz cuts. And I'm gonna go through all 7 and give you a little bit about who these might suit and hopefully give you a little bit of inspiration so you can find the best buzz cut for you. Now, chances are you're here, you're thinking, is it right for me? Now, a buzz cut is perfect if you want something that is low maintenance, except having to get it buzzed at your barber or by yourself. Also something that can help to make your face look slightly more masculine, really enhancing the features that you have. Also, if you've got fine or thinning hair, really taking control of that hair by removing it can actually give you a bit of a confidence boost. So maybe that's why you're here. I'd love to hear why you're here. Comment down below. And if you are new here, then please do press subscribe. This is Man From Self, the destination for male grooming. I'm talking hair, skincare, and fragrance. Okay, first buzz cut is the induction buzz cut. This came from the military, really where they take it all the way back. So no guard on it and straight over. Now the second one is the Burr Buzz Cut, much like the induction, but this time they put a guard on, either a 1 or a 2. This just gives a little bit more hair length and more coverage of the scalp. Now, all of these are linked in an article on manfromself.com. And if you are looking for a hairstyle, then the Man From Self hairstyle directory is the place for you. You can filter by your face shape. You can filter by your hair type. You can also filter by popular hairstyles like a quiff or maybe even a buzz cut right there. I will link everything down below. Now, the third type of buzz cut is called a Butch Buzz Cut, as seen here on Zayn Malik. Now, I actually think he really suits it. Again, it's something which feels young, it feels fresh, it can be contemporary, yet we've seen it across all the eras of hair really, but this tends to be a clipper grade 3 or a 4. And if you still want to give a bit of style, then the crew cut could be right for you. Again, this is a type of buzz cut. It is tapered down, so you've got one length on top, and then it's tapered, which basically means it goes from longer to shorter down the sides. Because you've got more length, again, you can use a little bit of product, maybe a pre-styler, into your hair and just blast it with a hairdryer, or just kind of piece away at it. Or for easy maintenance, just leave it as it is. For big contrast, you can go with a high and tight. Now, this was really popular in military circles, super short on the back and sides with more length left on top. This contrast is great for elongating a face. So if you've got maybe a rounder face, this will help to square it off. The fade buzz cut also gives you a little bit more room to personalize your cut. The fade really is taken from skin, so a skin fade right at the bottom of the neck and around the sides, and then it gradually gets longer and longer into the top. But again, that top is still that uniform length. Again, you could actually play with this, so you could have it really super short and very short on top, or you could have it shorter, coming in slightly longer with a little bit more room to play with or style on top. And finally, really the one that I like the most, and if I was gonna go with a buzz cut, it would be the textured buzz cut. Really, again, very uniform in terms of the length, back and sides, and uniform across the top. But what they've done here is add texture, really using a pair of scissors to cut into it. This just gives the hair more movement. It also adds a little bit more for styling, so you can really add a little bit more definition. I like this one because I do think it is that perfect blend of something that is a little bit more low maintenance, but allowing you to keep some of that styling. Again, check them all out at manfromself.com. Head to the hairstyle directory. It really is the hair Bible. Can I call it a Bible? The hairstyle directory Bible. There you go. I said it. But really, it's been created to help you guys find the best hairstyle for you. But thank you very much for watching. Do hit subscribe if you've not yet done so, and head to the site. But until my next new video, bye-bye.